Hey guys, it's your favorite math teacher. Yeah, I know. I'm not funny. Oh well. But I wanted to do the little video letting you guys see Mathspace. So sorry this is a little late for some of you, but I just wanted to at least show it to you. So when you log in, I made myself a student in one of your classes because hey, you know what? I'm learning too. So this will be the main platform you'll see when you come in. Has your upcoming task. You can see when things are due, different things like this one right here, due in 5 days. Um, so you'll look at here. What I'm going to do is you can either go to view all tasks or just tasks here. That way you can see everything that's been done. So I already did task 10.1, so I'm just going to go into the retake here, excuse me, and we're going to look at that, continue this one. I've done some questions. So like this one, it'll ask like, why is it not possible for that following triangle? Well, angles need to add up to 180. This one's definitely, the lengths can be different size, that's good. Longest side does not appear, nope, that's true, so it'd be that one. So we submit that, good to go, okay? Let's hop over to like this question 8 here. A couple of things I wanted to show you. If you need help, if you have any questions with it, if you have any problems with a question and don't quite know what to do, don't rush through it. Please take your time. There's these hints here that you can look at this and see what's going on. You can get more hints. Nothing bad about doing that. Again, don't rush through it. Please look at your notes. If you are still having problems with it, reach out to me. I am here for you guys. I really do want to help. So just reach out to me, let me know. So that's one of the tools here. Let's see if I can find another tool to help you. Awesome. Good, this one. So if you notice below the light bulb icon, there's now this video one. What this will do is it'll pull up
X, Y, and 48.
and it'll talk you through what you're doing there.
The values of X or
Still
Y.
gotta
So
drink my daily soda.
Or for that matter, equal to the. So which of the following is true?
So yeah,
Well,
not going to show this whole thing, but that's
between...
it out there. I encourage that you do this. So yeah, that's one tool for you to look at. There's a textbook thing here. That's another thing, another tool for you guys. But yeah, so just as you work through this, please use those tools. One thing also I wanted to show you, when you do finish a task, when you do finish a homework assignment and you're just like, hey, I have no idea how those problems were done, or it's like, I think I may need more practice with that. If you go back to the first one, it said like see scorecard. So I went through this one on here. But if I come to like this question, this one I didn't get. It says watch the video. I don't care, guys. Get the help you need. But then down here, it says practice this problem again. So if you click on that once you're done, then you can come in and keep practicing and do more of these problems to be able to help you out there. Okay, guys, hope you're doing well again. Probably going to get a Google Hangout set up soon so that way we can talk face to face and you can let me know any questions you have. Alrighty, I will see you guys later. Bye.